Okay, this is PY. I am from Standard Systems and I wanted to do the live testing for a campaign with a YouTube video from start to finish. So what I wanted to test in this flow is that I wanted the user to earn more than 1000 points so that we can, in the next video, test purchasing a reward items or test requesting a cash payout. So I have created here a task with a video link from a YouTube video. At the moment there is still no submissions available. Okay, now I am going to open up the app and I'm going to participate in this live test YouTube video short. Let's proceed, get started. Yo, I am in. Good. So I'm going to join this campaign with this YouTube video shorter and participate. Okay, so I am going to do this task. Okay, yep, 204 seconds left. Let me just skip the video to the end. Okay, so the video is almost nearing the end. Once the video is finished, the application will automatically inform the backend that okay, the user has finished watching the video, the whole length of the video, and now I wanted to continue to the next task, and I need to share this video, and I selected first this preset message and then share the link, blah 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 blah, through this message. Yes, new message, and yep, send, which is I'm not going to send here, and I'm going to go back to the app. The app will say that the user has actually clicked on the share link. No, now it is a responsibility of the user to actually share the link for them to be able to receive any clicks or any clicks on their unique link. Done. So yep, the task is done at the moment. If we take a look here, this is the other task that I tested just now, which I accidentally put a super long video here, which I don't want to continue anymore. So here is this is the task that we are looking at. It's only waiting for approval, so we can go back to the admin page. I'm going to load the page. Okay, so we can take a look. There is also no submissions because the system will automatically check that the user finished watching the video, and also the user shared the video. As well. So yep, we just want to test to check like how many times the user actually visited the link, how many people actually click on the link. So yeah, I think I did it 3 times just now, and let's refresh the statistic again to see video share clicks. The system still set as 0. I think I'm just gonna wait a bit more. Yeah, it detects there is 1 human clicks. Let's check again whether it will change the second time. Yeah, it still mentioned 1 human clicks. It's okay, it doesn't matter, because once we close the campaign, the backend will actually make a call again to get the latest rewards, the latest counts, the latest statistic of this unique share link. So now what should we do again? Yeah, let's check our rewards page. So right now the user have 110 points, so this campaign will actually give the 1000 points to the user. So I'm going to close campaign now because I want to award this 1000 points to the user. Let's see how many points the user is going to get now. Okay, I have successfully closed the campaign. Let's refresh this user page and see. Okay, now we have 1260 points, which is 1260 points. Let's check this submissions again, see how many click that this is actually tracked. 3 clicks, which it should be 1000 per click. Just now we configured as 50 if I'm not mistaken, so 150 plus 1000, so user is going to get 1150 plus what we have just now, which is 110. So we get the correct points counts, which is 1260. So meaning the mechanism of the backend that is calculating the points and rewarding the points to the user is correct in this case. And now what we can do is that the user can redeem this cash voucher, which is 1 ringgit. So yeah, I'm just going to, because I have 1000 points, this is just gonna cost me 100 points, so I'm going to click on it and I am going to redeem. Redeeming. Withdraw successful. Let's make sure withdraw successful, but you get the point. So yeah, now my points is deducted by 100 points. I can do it again because I have so many points right now. Yep, I'm going to redeem this again. Alright, so that's about it. How admin, if we open up to payouts, admins will be able to see the list of the payouts, what the user requested. So the admin can see here that the user actually requested a reward item type of a cash voucher of 1 ringgit, amount 1. So the admin have the option here to actually this transaction ID. I just included this here for the admin to be able to track what they did. For example, how if they are going to send this cash voucher through email to the user and whatnot, and they wanted to record something like cash voucher SKU1, and they are going to mark this as done. I'm just gonna mark this as paid. Yep, done. So that's about it. That is done. So for this as well, I'm going to mark this as paid as well. Cash voucher SKU2, just for example, mark as paid. Done. Okay, what we just did is that we created a campaign that will allow the user to receive 1000 points for 1 submissions. This is done. And if the user have participated in the actions, and the admin has approved has closed the campaign to process the rewards points, the user receive the rewards points here, and the user redeem a cash voucher, redeems this reward item. In this case, this cash voucher of 1 ringgit. It is also done, and the admin also process the list of the payout request from the user. The admin do what's needed to be done, like sending email or whatnot with this cash voucher or something that the admin requires to do, and mark the payout as finished, and done. And that's about it. That's the whole flow of the user watching the video, a YouTube video, and the user cannot skip the YouTube video, and receive a point, and also purchase a reward points. And that, okay, there is another thing that another steps that I wanted to show here. I wanted to do a live test here, is that the user can also request a cash payout. Okay, yeah, so right now we have a point of more than 1000. The user can actually request a cash payout, but to request a cash payout, the user needs to complete the profile first before making a withdrawal. So I click update profile, and I've landed here whereby I needed to update my details here. So I'm going to click Maybank and just key in some dummy bank details. I'm going to update my details. I think that's about it. So yeah, once I've updated it, I can now cash out your points to the bank account blah 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 to Maybank, and I have 1000 just now. I can withdraw 1000, so I'm gonna click withdraw successful. Yeah, now it prompt to me again, you need a minimum of 1000 points to cash out, which I don't have anymore because I just cashed out 1000 points just now, and what's left in my account at the moment is only 60 points. So going back to the user, to the admin page, the admin should be able to see the payout requested by the user. So okay, I wanted to there is some explanation required here. You can see that the user that requested this payout is this test user. Okay, so you can see here that it's mentioned a reward type, meaning there is two types of reward, which is a reward item, where you can configure here for the user to be able to redeem these reward items, or the user can request as a cash payout to be transferred directly to their bank account. And how it is that what does this mean is that, okay, the user is, for if this reward type is stated here as a coin, meaning the user is actually requesting a cash payout, and the amount here is, this amount is actually in ringgit Malaysia, in ringgit. So this means that the user has requested a cash out, a payout of 10 ringgit. So what we did is that, based on the points just now, we calculated that 1000 point is equivalent to 10 ringgit. So the system calculated for the admin directly. So the user actually requested 10 ringgit payout, and the admin needs to do the necessary things, which is transfer the money to the user. So the admin can transfer 10 ringgits to the user, and this transaction ID is the admin can input a transaction reference ID to the user here, and mark this payout as paid. So but first, how the admin can find out the bank details of this user is that the admin needs to go to the users, and the admin can search for the test user account, which is this one of this wovggetnada.com. So the admin can click and open details, and yep, this is the account details of the user, which is Maybank, and this is the account number. So yeah, this about it. The admin can just transfer the money to this bank account and update this payout here and mark this transaction as paid. So after this live testing, I could see that this page can be improved, whereby I will make it clearer what this reward types mean for the admin, and then I will put some information at this amount as well, and I will put a link here so that the admin can straight away click on this and open up the user detail page. So I will also put in these updates in the next release. So that's about it. There is a test for the user for the admin to create a campaign with a YouTube video. The user can view the YouTube video, get a point, and request a payout. So the whole flow works, and I will update this page to make it more friendly, more user friendly, so that it can be easily understood. Yep, that's about it. Thank you very much.